Hey you guys, look at that, and here it is, where I am back in a game of Grow a Garden. As you can see, I am standing here guys, so meron tayong ipipick up and ilalagay ko yung aking huge bunny in this game. So kasi meron tayong huge bunny dito, ilalagay natin dito yung huge bunny, that one, 7 kilogram guys. So, sobrang laki niyan guys, sobrang laki. So, i-add natin itong snail dito in my garden. As you can see, makakapag-help yan ng maayos dito guys. And there it is. As you can see, my bunny is jumping around my surrounding and my garden. So, ayan guys, nakikita nyo naman na medyo malaki-laki yung bunny natin. Tignan nyo naman guys, we have the 3B egg. So, I will be putting the legendary egg also. I'll be putting the uncommon egg. And here it is, max na pala siya guys. I don't know nasaan yung isa dyan, but I can't see it. But hopefully guys, that makakapag-hatch tayo dyan ng medyo maganda-ganda na na pet. So, as you can see, OMG guys, I bought sugar, my first sugar apple. As you can see, I can't believe that it is on our stock guys. Actually, saktong-sakto to guys. Nag-notice yung Discord guys na merong sugar apple. And there it is, meron talaga sugar apple guys. And may tatanim na rin natin to dito sa farm. So as you can see, I will be planting this and here it is here in this spot. So we will be putting a water sprinkler, I mean watering can pala guys, and sprinkler also para maging mabilis siya guys. Yun guys, nalagyan na rin natin ng sprinkler. So as you can see, habang nagdidili dito sa ating sugar apple, and we have 1421 sprinkler, and you can see guys, I will be putting another one again. There it is, malaking strawberry, meron tong malaking strawberry guys, at i-vaporate natin ito para hindi natin accidentally tamyan, para hindi masama sa sinasale natin. So as you can see, I will be using this again. So I know it is slowly working guys. As you can see guys, ayun na po yung ating sugar apple. Medyo nagpo-progress na po siya. And there it is, ang bilis guys. Super bilis. So, ayun na guys. As you can see, meron ng mga dahon-dahon ang sugar apple natin, sugar tree. And hopefully, we will be getting a good stocking there. And hopefully guys, as you can see, magka-craft tayo ng sun coil. And we will be needing crocus, one lily, one dandelion, and also one daffodil. So hopefully guys, it will be working, and hopefully we will be getting more money with, I mean more shekels with this game. Here it is guys, we will be picking up and opening the, okay, we will get a cocoa vine. Na-get natin is cocoa vine. So, we will be going in our crafter seeds pack, guys. So, I hope we will get, tawag nun, yung OP. No, we didn't get it. So, succulent. Ano to? Succulent. Nasa yun, guys. Ito yung nakuha natin. As you can see, we will be putting it here, and I will be watering this guys. As you can see, we will be watering it, and hopefully we can get a better plant with this. And look at this guys. As you can see, there it is. Okay, that is a band bamboo. So as you can see, we will be preparating it, and meron succulent dito ba banda, and hopefully this will be work. And meron ding kukuban, but we will not plant it muna guys. Since fully growth ng ating sugar apple guys, I will be transferring it, and we will be putting the master and leave the game. As you can see guys, here it is guys, the moment of the truth. Hopefully this will be successful guys. Until I'm lagging again in this game, but it's okay, it's finally worth it because we get our first sugar apple, and there it is. I will be putting the master sprinkler there. And hopefully that is this one here will there, so para sakop na lahat guys. Yan. So guys, if nakaabot ka pa sa video na to, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And see you in my next video. Thank you for supporting this. Bye!